hello. Welcome to my Gambian kitchen, our Gambian kitchen. Today we have chicken wings for iftar. Very simple, very easy to make. Make sure your wings are really clean. Don't just buy them from the store and start cooking your wings. You have to wash them really good and use your seasonings of choice. I'm using garlic powder, garlic salt, soy sauce, garlic herb seasoning, and my secret ingredients is a baking powder. It makes the chicken wings really, really, really crispy. It just gives them a really different texture. Let's say a texture, not a taste, because you cannot taste the baking powder. And add a little bit lemon juice. I'll try to remember to have the list of spices, the ingredients that I use to season them. Just put them aside for 15-20 minutes and then grill on a regular grill in the oven or air fryer. I use my air fryer because it's really quick. 20 minutes, the wings are all done. Very, 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 very good. I garnish them with some parsley that I chopped up. So you can enjoy this with either mashed potato. You can enjoy it with some salad. Any kind of salad you have is super good. This is my table for today for iftar, and I'm just thankful that we are going far now. I believe we are on day nine today. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. Let me know what recipe you would like to see before the end of Ramadan. I hope this video is going to be helpful just to give you an idea of what to cook, because it's like 30 or 29 days of cooking. Sometimes it's like we're out of ideas. So this is just for that. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. You have an amazing day. Bye.